Hi guys, so in this video, I'm going to show you how to upgrade your Fantom tokens to the Sonic blockchain. Now, it is no news that the Sonic Mainnet is live. I mean, this is their Twitter page, and you can see that they posted some hours ago, 16 hours ago, about Sonic is live. All right, this is a blog post that is attached to that post. So if I click here, it takes me straight up to this page here. This is their blog post. Sonic Mainnet launch EVM compatible, verifiable, 10,000 transaction per second and sub-second finality. Now, this is a blog post about the mainnet launch that happened yesterday, this December 18th, 2024. Now, if you come here, you'll see FTM holders can now upgrade their tokens to S on Sonic on a 1:1 basis. All right. Now, using their upgradable portal or upgrade portal. So, and you can also unlock to access Sonic's diverse range of apps. Now, Sonic is the new blockchain that was upgraded from FTM Opera blockchain to Sonic, all right? Now, if I come to this link here, I click to go to this link, it will take me to the upgrade page. Now, but before I do that, I would like you to take this step first, all right? So what you simply do is you come on this page here, all right? Once you scroll down to this page, you have to add the Sonic Mainnet on your MetaMask. I am going to be using my MetaMask, right? So if I come here and go on my list of networks, you will see that I don't have the Sonic Mainnet on my MetaMask. So I'm going to add that manually first before I do anything, all right? Because if you don't do that, you might have some issues. So I'll click on add network and then I'll click on add a network manually. And now I have to provide all of these details. So I just come back to this page here and copy the details as I can see here. Now I'll click here and copy the network name straight to my MetaMask, and I'll paste that like so here. And then the new RPC URL, I'll come here, I'll do the same. I'll copy this, and then come back here to my MetaMask and paste like so. Now I'll do the same for the chain ID. Chain ID is 146. I think I have memorized that. And the symbol is capital S. All right. You can see they just suggested ticker symbol, which is S. If I click here, it automatically imputes that for me. All right. And I'll just have to come back here and copy the Explorer URL. Now you have to do this process first before you try to upgrade your FTM tokens to Sonic. All right. So I'll click on save once I am done. All right. Excuse me. Now you see it's asking me to switch network. I'll oblige and click on switch. Once I'm done, you can see network added successfully. Switch to Sonic. I'll click on switch to Sonic. All right. Now when I switch to Sonic, it will load my Sonic balance. If I have any token on the Sonic blockchain already, like I do here, I upgraded my FTM tokens last night to Sonic, all right, and got the S token. You can see is my balance. I have 17.9 S tokens. Now I will now have to go back to this upgrade page. I'll scroll back up and click on this button here. All right, there's some link here, which is what I have right here. All right, so what I'm going to do next is I'll just have to, you can see my available balance here. I have S tokens. If I had Fantom tokens right now, I can simply just impute the amount I want to upgrade to get Sonic token. Right now, if I want to downgrade my Sonic token, I'll just switch here and downgrade my Sonic tokens. So that is how to do this without any stress. So I click on upgrade here. It takes me to this page. If I enter the amount of tokens I want, I can downgrade my Sonic tokens to FTM. Let me show you. Let me downgrade just a bit, maybe 1S token. Okay, it says amount is too low. Minimum deposit is 10. All right, so I would it's just simple, right? So you just enter the amount of tokens you want to downgrade, and then let me show you. Let me try to do 11. Let me try to do 12. All right, so I want to downgrade this and then upgrade back to Sonic. I'll click on this button here, and the fee is 5 S tokens. That's huge. I think that's huge. But for the essence of this video, I'm going to show you how to do just that. All right. I might have to just cancel it anyways, but it is pretty straightforward. Just input the amount you want, click on upgrade, and then that's how it is. You can upgrade and downgrade your FTM tokens or your S tokens to whichever version. So, I mean, you're going to be doing FTM to S token. So that is how to do that, guys. It's very simple and straightforward. All right, I have a video that I did and showed you how to add the Fantom token and Fantom Opera blockchain manually. So you can also load your tokens there, and then you can be able to move your tokens from the Fantom Opera blockchain once you your MetaMask into the Sonic new mainnet that I just launched. All right, so that is that, guys. If you find this video helpful, please leave it a thumbs up and do well to subscribe to the channel. I'll see you in the next video. Keeping safe. See you later.